Mahilig ka ba makinig ng music, especially kapag papunta ka ng work, papunta ka ng school, or papunta ka ng park? And the best part, alam mo ba na pwede mo yang pagkakitaan? Example nito. Yes, kinita ko yan, okay, sa pakikinig lang ng music, and the best part, libre lang ito. Kaya patapusin mo yung video na 'to para alam mo kung paano ka maka-earn ng malaking points at the same time na para lumaki yung kikitain mo. So kung bago ka lang sa video na 'to, huwag mo kalimutan i-click yung subscribe button at saka i-ring na rin yung bell notification para ma-notify ka every time na meron akong bagong video. Now, paano ba? So actually guys, gagamit tayo ng free app. Okay? So yung free app na gagamitin natin is GV Radios. Okay? So paano ka maka-access dito ng libre? Very simple lang. All you have to do is click the link in the description box. Okay? Kapag na-click mo siya, okay, i-download mo siya. Okay? So, once na-download mo siya, mag-register ka gamit yung Facebook or Gmail account mo. Okay? So, tapos guys, once naka-open mo na, okay, i-swipe left mo siya. Kasi yung iba, hindi nila makikita na dapat i-swipe left pala para maka-access sila, okay? So, let us say na-access mo na, okay? So, yung una-una mong gawin, especially as a beginner, is dapat makaipon ka ng points, okay? So, magkanong points na iipunin mo para maka-withdraw ka agad? So, 350,000 points, okay? Para maka-withdraw ka agad, okay? Para at least alam mo na legit talaga ito, okay? So, yung gagawin mo guys is makikinig ka lang. Okay? Every time you listen, merong points. Okay? Merong coins ka maiipon dyan. Pero kung gusto mo malaki talaga yung ipon mo, okay, kagaya, okay, ng friend ko, shinare ko sa kanya sa Facebook, as in, overnight lang is naka-withdraw siya agad, okay? So, yung gagawin mo guys is pumunta ka sa country, okay? Tapos, i-click mo yung country, tapos, pumili ka dyan, okay? I-click mo yung icon na to, okay? Pumili ka dyan ng country, yung pipiliin mo is yung Austria, okay? So, once napili mo na yan, okay, i-click mo, okay? I-click mo yung music, okay? So, once na-click mo, makikita mo na as in, malaki talaga yung coins na maiipon mo. So, let us say, kagaya ng friend natin, no, nakaipon na siya, okay? So, paano na mag-withdraw, okay? So, all you have to do is i-click mo yung wallet, okay? So, once na-click mo na yung wallet, okay, makikita mo dyan, pwede ka pili ng withdrawin, okay? It's either GCash, okay, PayPal, or Lazada. Okay? So, sa akin guys, Lazada talaga yung ginagamit ko. Pero if ever gusto mo GCash or PayPal, pwede naman. Okay? So, i-click mo yan, tapos follow mo lang ang extraction. Okay? So, once na-click mo, it's either minutes or 1 to 2 days is nasa GCash mo na, PayPal, or Lazada. Okay? Now, the question, Sir Anthony, paano naman ako kikita dito ng malaki? Okay? So, dito guys, pwede kang kumita ng malaki by referring other or sharing the app sa mga friends mo. Okay? So, paano ba? I-click mo yung icon na to. Okay? So, once na-click mo dyan, yung first na pwede mo kikitain na the best part dito is kapag nag-click sila sa link mo. Yes. Kahit wala pa sila nag-download, nag-click lang sila sa link mo is kikita ka dyan. Yan yung first way. Okay? Now, ano naman yung second way? Okay? So, yung second way guys, kikita ka ng $0.10. Okay? Every time na verified, okay, yung na-refer mo. In short, kumita yung na-refer mo or nakapag-withdraw yung na-refer mo. So, kaya, dito guys, tulungan system talaga. Tutulungan mo yung friend mo na shiniran ng app na maka-withdraw para ikaw mismo is kikita ng $0.10 and the best part, every time mag-withdraw siya, lifetime na yan, meron kang 20% na kikitain. So, dapat tulungan mo yung friend mo na kumita at makapag-withdraw. Okay? So, yan yung second way. Yung third way naman, guys, okay? So, dito, merong ticket. So, every time you invite people or share the link, 'di ba? Nag-download sila, meron kang makukuha na ticket. At diyan pwede kang kumita up to $25. Okay? So dollars tayo guys, no? Kasi malaki talaga yung rate ngayon. Kaya grab this, okay? So, yun yung third way. Yun yung fourth way naman is leaderboard, okay? So, dyan guys, kapag ikaw malakas ka talaga mag-invite, is pwede ka dyan kumita up to $25 din. Okay? Now, next, okay, fifth is milestone. So, merong milestone dyan, okay? So, kung makikita mo, kapag naka-refer ka ng 5, okay, 10, okay, 20, is merong katumbas yan na bonus. Kaya not bad na. So, paano ba, di ba? So, once meron ka ng refer para at least maintindihan niya at para mas madali sa kanya na kumita, i-share mo lang ito sa friend mo yung video na to. Kung meron ka naman katanungan, just comment down below. Or pwede mo ko ma-add mismo sa Facebook account ko. Okay, add me as a friend. Tapos message me para at least ma-notify ako na pwede kitang matulungan. So it's me again, Anthony James Yusa, signing